Hello sailors! After our overnight passage from the mainland, we took a few days to catch our breath, soak in the beauty of our new anchorage, and get into the rhythm of island life. Now, we'd love to invite you to spend a day on anchor with us. But first, I need my morning cup of Yorkshire tea. That's better.
Morning. So it is about 8:30. I've got a cup of tea. I'm very happy. This is probably my favourite part of the day, or one of my favourite parts of the day, just enjoying the quiet of the early morning. So Rob likes to have his cup of tea in bed, and Yewy doesn't get out of bed unless something interesting's happening. So I like to bring my cup of tea up here and just kind of watch the anchorage start to wake up. This is when it's at its quietest. It's so peaceful. Excuse me. Go away before Yewy comes and gets you. Go on, clear off. Shoo. Thank you. Alright, it is 9:30, which means it's time to take Yewy to shore, which means getting her life jacket on her. Yewy, what are you doing? Yewy. This dog is crazy. Right, the good thing about her life jacket is she essentially gets turned into a handbag. There we go. I've got to pull you in. There you go, Yewy. Oh my goodness. This dog is a lunatic. She nearly just jumped off the boat to get in the dinghy. And then she barks at the outboard. Crazy. Everyone on YouTube is like, oh, Yewy's so sweet. She's so relaxed. No, she's crazy. But we love her. You stay in, you lunatic. Yewy, where are we going? Clean at the dinghy. First up, recycling bins.
Formentera is Ibiza's barefoot little sister, chilled, wild and beautifully unspoilt. We're anchored off Cala Seona, a cove of clear turquoise water, and it's postcard perfect. Mission accomplished. Yewy has weed, pooed and sniffed. Time to get back to each other. Come on, baby. Thank you. Incoming handbag dog. Want to hang out between videos? Join us over on Facebook. We post photos, thoughts, and the odd recipe. It's housework time, or should I say boat work time? After the bed's been made and the surface is wiped, I move to the galley where everything gets a good anti-bac, including the top of the fridge, the sink and the galley cabinets. Quick PDA, excuse us. About 12:30 now, so now that the housework's done, I'm going to get some actual work done. Books, they don't write themselves. I'm a bit Gibraltared out with the Gibraltar Thriller, which I think I'm going to call Dark Rock. So I'll probably just edit a couple of chapters on that, not too much, and then I'm going to start Cooper 9th in the series. That's fun.
inspired by a real undercover case. But because it's 12:30, all the day boats are starting to arrive, which means we've got motorboats go flying through the middle of the anchorage and everything goes crazy. And then the jet skis start. And then there's these cool hoverboard things which keep whizzing around. Unfortunately, they're pretty cool, but they sound like mosquitoes, so I'm whenever I hear the noise.
Well, we've had a day of endeavours where Faye's been doing some work, I've been chilling out, we've done a workout, but now it's time to get Yewy to shore.
Round two.
Round two.
Anchorage just quietened down a little bit. Still quite busy. You enjoying the tunes?
Oh, I love this modern dance music. I mean, of all the musical tracks you could choose from, there's like there's got to be over 1 million songs that have ever been created, right?
At least.
At least. What's the likelihood that all you pick is like, I mean, I don't even know what it is. It's terrible. I was expecting some like classic Ibiza tunes and whatnot. But goodness gracious me, like I say, I can't even describe what this stuff even is like.
It's not as bad as Bubble Butt. Bubble Butt.
It's not far off.
The music's not too bad unless you get two boats that basically start having a bit of a music war. And we had one playing like cheesy 80s music versus like some sort of modern dance. Just increasingly louder and louder. But today hasn't been so bad. Today is good. That's right, Yewy. Bark at the sea. You tell it. We have to basically time Yewy's walks now for either kind of before 10 AM and after 6 PM because it's just too hot for her. And yeah, in between she has to just go to my grass if she needs to have a tinkle. Because otherwise, if we brought her out in the middle of the day, we'd get her to shore and she'd pretty much just find a bit of shade and lie down, wouldn't she?
God.
Yeah. Too hot. I'm going to get Rob's clippers and just shave her, I think. They're playing Spandau Ballet now. Yeah. Oh, swim done, shower done, feeling very refreshed. Rob just like got his kit off and jumped in naked. I'm not there yet. I'm still like bikini. He's brave. Did you enjoy that?
I love it. It's very refreshing. It's very refreshing, yes.
Should we have sundowners now?
Ooh.
Rob's just prepping some mussels for dinner. They're going to go in a nice pasta sauce. And someone's just arrived. Yewy is trying to sneak closer and closer to Rob, and then she does this thing where she stands up and sits down repeatedly so that, like, to get attention. Like, no, it's me, I'm here. Yeah, when we were in Roscoff last year, we went for mussels and chips in the old town and it was delicious. But Yewy went crazy for the mussels. She'd never had them before, but was just sitting to attention, like, please, please, please give me one. We gave her one, and then she wanted like 20 of them. So then when we were in Almerimar, there was a little supermarket and I picked up a bag of frozen mussels thinking Yewy would have the best day ever, and I defrosted a few and she just like wasn't interested, and I was so sad because I got really excited about it. But it's returned. She's now obsessed with them again.
Sit.
Yay!
Yum, 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 yum.
What's that, Yewy? You want another one?
First world problems. My beer is so cold, it's got a layer of ice over the top. I can't actually open the bloody thing.
That's hilarious.
Well, sailors, during the day, anchorages like this belong to the tourist boats, the ferries, the party boats, jet skis and hoverboards. But when the sun starts to dip, tranquility returns. Sunset here belongs to the cruisers and the liveaboards, the ones willing to anchor through the darkness. This is a prize we certainly treasure.